Hello, Dr. Thompson. This is my submission for stage 1 and 2 of the design project. Over here is my audio input. Channels 2 and 3, or pins 2 and 3 connected to left and right audio. They get fed through a 2.2K ohm resistor each to a amplifier, and this is a summing amplifier unit. The feedback on this amplifier is 10K ohms. The inputs are 2.2K, so I get a gain about 4.5 across both of them combined. And I chose these values because my inputs are around 0.6 each max, and this will allow the voltage to get up to around 4.5 volts, 4.4 volts, and it will cap out at the 5-volt limit of the power supplies for the op amps. So coming out of my summing amplifier goes into another op amp, which is my volume controller. I have a 10K input and a 10K potentiometer as the feedback, so turning this knob will tune the volume from 0 to 100%. Coming out of here, these two yellow wires, the top one branches to my high pass filter, the bottom one branches to my low pass. Both filters are the same exact components and everything. I flip the values around, the components around, so that the high pass is a capacitor resistor, and then the low pass is a resistor and a capacitor, here, the ceramic. And then this resistor and this capacitor are my peak detector. So it goes through the capacitor, resistors go to ground, the diode branches over here, goes through a resistor to limit the current near the BJT, which is not in the design yet. And this orange wire is the output that will go into the base of the BJT. And the same thing for the low pass here. I have 3 resistors get an equivalent impedance, and then a capacitor that goes to ground. From the diode to 2 more capacitors get equivalent capacitance, another resistor that will go into my base for the BJT. And that's the project.